Hello and welcome back to my garden. This is Mireju's Gardens, and it's a pleasure for you to join me on today's video. Today I'll be harvesting turmeric. It's Harmattan season. This is December 25, Christmas Day. I've put off doing this video for the longest time, but today I decided to do the video so that I can get it over with. Thank you for joining me in today's harvest of turmeric. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. Like the video and share with friends. Thank you. This is the turmeric that we'll be harvesting in a small container. It's all dried up, so I'm going to harvest it today. Pull it out if you do use turmeric. Some roots are in there. Get to that's the turmeric, looking fresh and nice. Some are still in there, so I'm going to dig them out. Smells so fresh. When you're in the garden, you use your hands. Your hands get dirty, but you wash them. I should have harvested this a long time. I'll be pushing it. So I decided today we must do this. Wow, that's a lot of turmeric for just one plant. Wow, this is amazing. This is my first time having this kind of experience with turmeric. Wow, I'm shook. I may have to delay harvesting the second one because this is much. Are you seeing what I'm seeing, turmeric? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Turmeric. Ooh, is this how easy it is to cultivate turmeric? Just one plant. Ooh. One plant of turmeric. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. Simply wow. Simply wow. It's simply wow. Just a small container and all the turmeric. So yeah, wow. And then I have this from the stem. I can't remember the duration of this turmeric. That's a lot of turmeric. That's a lot of turmeric from just one that was planted. Look at that. This is amazing. This is my first time having this experience of turmeric like this. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. I don't consume turmeric as much as I do ginger, so I don't think I'll be planting more turmeric. These are the leaves. I'll use them as a mulch for my pepper. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. Like the video and share with friends. Thank you.